Hello folks, we are doing Bug in the Cake by Violet Grohl. This is a brilliant tune. And the video's very cool too. It's quite an easy one to play as well. Standard tuning. I'm using the Funny Little Boxes treasure chest just to give a little hair of grit. And then we've got about 5 or 6 chords basically. So let's dive in. Starts off with an E5. And then into this C, G, E motif. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're always changing chord on the 4 and for the most part in this, okay? So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So it's always going to be on an upstroke when you change. So the strumming pattern would be 2, 3, 4, up, up, down, down, up, 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 down. Right the way through, pretty much, right? So C, bar of G, 2 bars of E. With that rhythm. 2, 3, 4. You do that round twice, and then the third time you go into the E, but this then starts a new section there. And I'm going to borrow heavily from the live part here because it's clearer, because there's quite a lot of other guitar stuff going on, but the core of it is this. Goes round like that, okay? So you've got this E to a sus4. Put your little finger on that 2nd fret on the G. So you'd have 2, 3, 4. Little rest there. And there you take the shape and just move it up to the 7th fret basically. And back around. The third time it actually goes to that on the 3rd bar. Next section here, right? So then we go G, A, E. And again. So that would be 2, 3, 4. And you can put in the sus4 if you wish, but you know, up to you. Then there's another verse, and it's just a series of these whacks. So you cover your strings lightly, so you get that thing going on, not a harmonic. So just, you know, in between the frets basically, and you've got something along these lines: 1, 1. So you'd kind of alternate between 1 and 1. Like that. But, you know, have fun, do what you want there. 3 times of that, and then coming out of it, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then to the next section, right, which is one you already know. It's G, A, E. And you're going to do that 4 times around. So I won't dwell on it, but just once through. Like that, right? But the 4th time you go to the C, G, E, right? So let's do the last time. And then that goes around 4 times, C, G, E. Then there's a solo part where you're playing this intro section again. You do that 4 times. Well, it's 2 bars of solo, 2 bars of the party at Grandma's bit, and then CGE again. This time you do this 8 times round, and this is the ending. So it's 7 times straight, the 8th time's cut short because you go... and you finish like that. Brilliant fun, right? I hope you enjoy it. It's a great, great tune. Quite easy to learn, but loads of fun to play along with. Reminds me a bit of some early Foo Fighters stuff. See you soon.